Hey folks, pretty nice day across the valley today. Temperatures did warm up. It's still 84 in Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 70s right now. 73 Raymondville, 74 in Port Isabel. McAllen still checking in at 78 degrees this afternoon, 75 in Brownsville. Overnight tonight, we're going to drop back in the upper 50s again, and there could be a couple of isolated showers. Best chance is going to be near the coast as our cool front comes through, and those numbers not a big deal. But look at tomorrow's highs. We're going to have to work all day to get back to 70, and the eastern part of the valley probably won't make it. Good north breeze, a lot of clouds early, and again, maybe an early shower near the coast behind that front. And the clouds will linger through much of the day, maybe breaking in the afternoon. But temperatures, instead of being in the 80s tomorrow, working hard to get back to 70 or so. The next 3 days, the normal high is 78. We're going to be below that tomorrow and Thursday. Then we bounce back above on Friday at 79. So nowhere near the records. Not far off of normal for this time of year. And Thursday for Thanksgiving just looks delightful. There'll be plenty of sunshine on Thursday after the cold start. Here's a look at the cloud cover picture today. And we've seen we've been in and out of the clouds much of the day today. Not a clear blue sky. And tonight, here comes our front. It moves through between midnight and dawn, and when it goes through, it could trigger an isolated shower in a few spots. Once it goes through, north winds will pick up, especially along the coast. Count on it getting windy at the coast when that goes through, and maybe a lingering shower into the morning hours there. Rest of the valley sees mostly cloudy skies early, but as the day goes on, the clouds thin out a little bit, and by tomorrow night, will probably clear out, and that will allow Thursday morning's temperatures to be quite cool. But then Thursday afternoon, sunshine again warms us back, as you saw, into the low to mid 70s. But the nighttime lows are going to be plenty chilly the next couple of days. Now tomorrow, there's that early morning shower. Best chances near the coast. Really, it's after midnight, between midnight and noon is our best chance for showers tomorrow. Even before noon is the best chance. And then dry for Thursday and Friday, and likely dry beyond that for a while. Here's our front. It's in Texas right now. Temperatures behind it doesn't drop off all that quickly, but you get up to Dalhart, it's 48. Oklahoma City's 55. Front will continue pushing southward, and there's not a lot with it right now. See some clouds racing out ahead of it, but not much along the front itself. Again, that front due in the valley in the next few hours, probably after midnight. Probably a lot of rain offshore. That doesn't do much good for anybody, but it's out there. Front will continue pressing to the south. Clouds lingering through much of the day tomorrow. A much cooler day, but notice the clouds go away on Thursday. So we start in the 40s Thursday morning, bounce back to the 70s Thursday afternoon. Friday, we warm up just a little bit. Another front, top of the screen, that one due in the area. Looks like Saturday night, early Sunday, that will cool it off a little bit, not much. That front doesn't amount to much, probably even less of an impact than what this one's going to have, actually a lot less of an impact. If you're headed to the coast, going to start your Thanksgiving early, here's the big deal down here. Look at the winds out of the north tomorrow morning at 27 to probably 30, even 35 miles per hour. So a windy day at the coast. UV's moderate, rip current risk is high, surf temperatures at 74. Temperatures stay upper 60s pretty much all day long. In the afternoon, winds are still strong out of the north, 20 to 25, and even by tomorrow evening, winds are close to 20 miles an hour, and your rip current risk remains high. UV is moderate. Here are the tides. A reminder, there is a small craft advisory. Seas are going to kick up to 7 to 9 feet. The bay waters will be rough tomorrow. Thursday should be a much better day, but tomorrow is going to be a rough day at the coast, especially in the surf and in the bay. So for tonight, clear early, but then clouds come in later on with maybe a shower in a few spots as the front goes through. Winds originally out of the southeast, but then turn to the north later on tonight. Then tomorrow, early shower. Clouds stick around much of the day. Maybe by the end of the day, some sunshine, but no warmer than about 70. We do bump it up to 73 for Thanksgiving. Still a cool day, though. We started 45, so a cold start to your Thanksgiving, a cold start to Black Friday. 45 again, but plenty of sunshine. Back to 79 in the afternoon. Then we're back in the 80s or so after that through the weekend and into the early part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.